I've been reviewing the plan for the diabetes awareness session next week, and I noticed the flyer mentions high blood sugar, but not low blood sugar. That could be confusing.
Yes, especially since the hypertension group meets right before, and some people might turn up thinking it's about blood pressure.
Exactly, and with the wording so close, someone could easily mistake one for the other.
When we covered diet last year, a few people asked whether dizziness meant low sugar or low pressure. The answers weren't clear, and some went home more confused.
That's why this time we should highlight symptoms carefully. If people misread the flyer and attend expecting blood pressure advice, they'll leave thinking the session wasn't for them.
And worse, they might ignore the actual warning signs of diabetes because they think they've heard it already.
Right, so making the distinctions clear in both the flyers and the talk should prevent that problem.
I'll edit the handouts to show the differences more clearly. MIHIRA, know that receiving a diagnosis like renal failure can be overwhelming, and now we're talking about your heart as well. Please know that we are here to support you through all of this. I want to take a moment to explain something important that might help you feel much better: a pacemaker. Think of your heart as a beautiful, natural rhythm section for your body. Normally, a tiny group of cells acts as the conductor, sending out electrical signals that tell your heart muscle when to squeeze and when to rest. When you have a condition called bradycardia, or a slow heart rate, it means this natural conductor is running too slowly or irregularly. This is common in various medical conditions, and we can certainly help fix it. A pacemaker is a very small, advanced device that acts as a reliable backup conductor. It consists of a tiny computer, about the size of a small pocket watch, and thin, flexible wires called leads. We gently place the main unit just under the skin near your collarbone, and the leads are guided into your heart. MIHIRA, the primary function of the pacemaker, is to constantly monitor your heart's rhythm. If it detects that your natural heart rate has dropped too low, or if it misses a beat, it immediately sends out a tiny, safe electrical pulse. This pulse tells your heart muscle to contract, ensuring your heart maintains a steady, appropriate rhythm. This device is so important because a slow heartbeat means your body isn't getting enough freshly pumped, oxygen-rich blood. By regulating your heart rate, the pacemaker ensures your heart pumps enough blood to meet all your body's needs. This significantly reduces risks like fainting, extreme fatigue, or dizziness. Ultimately, the goal is to help you feel like your normal self again, restoring your energy and allowing you to confidently return to your daily activities. It's a reliable, long-term solution designed to give you both health and peace of mind.